Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're old to my channel, you are welcome as well. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button, like, leave a comment. If you do like this video, let me know what you think. And so this video I'm going to be doing a single braid using the rubber band method. Okay, so here we go. So my hair is already combed out and moisturized. So the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair. So I section my hair into 5 because the back of my hair is very short. It's very short, so I section it into 5. Okay, so here we go. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, once I section it, I'm going to take each section and section it again. So I think I want to do 4. You can do 5 or you can do 4 depending on how big you want. These are big braids, so so I'm just going to section it again. Okay, so I'm just putting some whipped butter. And some of this cream of nature edge control. And then I'm just going to twist like so. Rubber band. I don't know why the light is getting dark. I'm not sure why it always happens. I guess it's the way the lighting is set up or something. Okay. And now I'm just gonna braid it. Braid it all the way to the end. Okay. So now, this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called 3X Multi Twist, pre-stretched. And this is 20 inches. So it's called pre-stretched. Color 1B. two packs just in case. And also I'm going to use my crochet hook. I'm just going to take some of the hair, this much or this much. I don't know why I'm walking off of the camera, like seriously. So it's early, but it's early in the morning where I'm at right now. Everybody's still sleeping, so we take the hook. Here. I find this hair gets tangled easily. I've used it before, but I like how it turns out. This is too small. I'm going to add more hair to it. I'm going to add a little bit more. So there, then you section the hair in 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you take your actual hair, add it to one of the pieces that you section, and then you just braid. You can do twist this way too. I think this is, let me see. I think this is too thin. I want fat braids. So I'm going to add a little bit more to it. I don't know, for some reason this hair feels thin. The first pack that I bought wasn't like this, so I don't know. Let's try this again. I don't really like to braid my hair tight, so I like to braid it loose because I don't want my hair to break and start falling out. So yeah, so the reason why I actually single braid my actual hair, you don't have to, but the reason why I'm doing this is because the first time I did this hairstyle, I did this braid this way, using this method. My actual hair was like, you know, it gets fuzzy and it sticks out. It was sticking out a lot. But with this one, the fuzzing and sticking out is not that much. So only the tip or the end of my hair, my braided hair, will actually stick out. So I prefer it this way. I think this way is better. But you don't have to do it this way. You can just leave your hair unbraided, and then you can still, you know, achieve the style that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more. So basically this is what I have to do throughout my whole head. So you can leave your hair like this without braiding it, and then you can just take some of the hair so you can just, you know, braid it in, but I'm not going to do that. This is the way I prefer. Just going to braid it. Hope you guys can hear me. I feel like I'm talking low. So I prefer braiding it before actually putting the hair, because my hair starts to get tangled with the extensions. It's very annoying. Yeah, I have some of the extensions in it, but oh well. Yeah, so this is what I basically do. I'm gonna add more. So I'm gonna just braid it all the way down. So that's what I'm gonna basically do throughout the whole head, doing each section one at a time. So depending on how big you want your braids to be, so you can section 5 or 4 or 6. Until you do the whole head. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did the back very big because the middle here, for some reason it takes a long time for it to grow, and I'm finally, you know, going it back. So whenever I do that part of my head, I try to braid it in chunks, like I don't cut it small because I don't want it to fall out. So that is the hair. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put my hair in ponytail, in a bun. I mean, I'm gonna actually leave this here in a bun. So that's one of the reasons why I section it so big, because I'm gonna keep it in a bun all the time. So And for the ends, I didn't bother putting it in hot water, but if you want to, at the end you can put the bottom in hot water so that it doesn't come apart, and then you trim it. But I didn't bother doing it because I'm just gonna leave it in a bun, so I feel like it doesn't make sense to do that. That is basically it, guys. So for my edges, I'm not gonna slay it because I find that when I do, you know how you slay your edges or whatever, it thins out my edges, right? So that's basically it, guys. I like it. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute. It's simple. You can style it however you want, you know. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you're able to try this hairstyle, and I hope that you won't give up in trying to do it. It might be hard at first, but the more you do it, the more you're gonna get used to it, you're gonna get hang of it, and then you're gonna get it, and you're gonna be proud of yourself, or be proud of yourself, excuse me, from the beginning anyways, for actually even trying to attempt to do your hair by yourself, you know. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.